You're going to explore the Momentum Bias Index by Algo Alpha, which is designed to help you assess this market. Momentum Bias like a pro, I promise, is easier than it sounds. So don't worry. To get started, open up a chart and let's say you're looking at the gold chart. Now, you'll want to choose a time frame. You can go with 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or even 1 hour. Personally, I prefer 15 minute time frame, but feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Next, head to the indicators section at the top of the platform and click on it. A window will pop up and in the search bar type in Momentum Bias Index and hit enter. Once you see the results, select the one by Algo Alpha and it will be added to your chart. The Momentum Bias Index is a fantastic tool that calculates the positive and negative bias of momentum to determine the overall trend. This will be our secret weapon, our signal generator indicator that will provide accurate signals for making profitable trades. But before we jump in, let's optimize it for maximum potential. To do this, click on the gear icon next to the indicator's name and head to the Inputs tab. Here, we'll need to make a few adjustments to tailor the indicator to our needs. First, change the source parameter to close. Then, adjust the momentum length to 9. After that, change the bias length to 7 and the smooth length to 9. And then set the impulse boundary to 27 and the standard deviation multiplier to 3. Make sure the smooth option is enabled and the overlay mode option is off. Feel free to change the colors you're liking to. Finally, make sure the time frame is set to chart, so it uses the current chart time frame. And there's not much to change in the style section, so we're all set. Alright, so now that we got our Momentum Bias Index set up, let's talk about getting some confirmation for our trading strategy. We're going to use another handy tool called the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker or HLOTT indicator to help us make even better decisions. Head back to the indicator section again and this time search for HLOTT and then add it from the results. This awesome indicator has two lines, highest price value HOTT and the lowest price value LOTT, which comes from the original default OTT settings. There's no moving average in this version, but don't worry, we've got everything we need.
Nice.
The area between the HOTT and LOTT lines is called the flat zone, and it's a good idea to just chill and do nothing when the price is hanging out in this zone. But when the price breaks out, that's when things get interesting. When the candles close above the HLOTT line, it signals an uptrend, and when the candles close below the LOTT line, it signals a downtrend. The flat zone also gets highlighted, so you can stay focused on sideways market conditions. But before we dive in, let's tweak some settings for the HLOTT. So in the settings, change the colors and line thickness for HLOTT and LOTT options. Then adjust the bar color options and the highlighter opacity. No need to mess with the inputs parameters, so we're good to go. Now let's learn how to make some money with this fantastic trading strategy. The Momentum Bias Indicator will generate our signals, and here's how. When the red bar stays above the dots on the oscillator, that's our sell signal. But hold your horses. We need confirmation before jumping in. For a sell trade, we want to see a downtrend on the chart, which means the signal candle's close price should be below the lower line of the HLOTT indicator. Now that's a confirmed sell signal, so you can open the trade. Set your stop loss at either the upper or lower line of the HLOTT indicator. And try setting your target at 2x the risk of your trade for the solid risk to reward ratio. For buy trades, it's basically the opposite. We're looking for a green bar above the dots and an uptrend on the chart, with the signal candle's close price above the upper line of the HLOTT. Confirm the buy signal and set your stop loss and target, and you're ready to roll. Alright folks, hold on to your hats because I'm about to share some jaw-dropping backtesting results using this amazing trading strategy. We got the gold 15-minute time frame for a spin and conducted 100 trades. Brace yourselves. The win rate was a whopping 72%. That's right, we hit the ball size 72 times out of 100. But wait, there's more. Over the course of 3 months, we managed to rack in mind-blowing 120% profit. And if that's not impressive enough, the profit factor was an outstanding 3.83. This means for every dollar we risked, we made $3.86 in return. Talk about a solid investment. Now let's talk about consecutive wins and losses. During our backtesting adventure, we experienced an incredible streak of 13 winning trades while only enduring 3 losing trades in a row. That's pretty sweet wins to loss ratio if you ask me. Finally, let's discuss the risk involved. The max drawdown during our backtesting period was a mere 2.97%. For those who aren't familiar with the term, max drawdown is the largest drop from a peak to valley in your trading equity. So, in simple terms, a strategy experiences a small decline of 2.97% before it bounced back up. That's some pretty low risk for such fantastic returns, don't you think? And there you have it, folks. The numbers don't lie. The trading strategy has shown some seriously impressive results, and it could be your ticket to boosting your trading success. Of course, it's essential to test the strategy yourself and maybe even on a demo account before diving into the real deal. But with a solid game plan and some patience, you can be well on your way to becoming a trading pro.